All right, students, here's your video for day two. Okay, on our first slide, it says to watch me to understand the next three slides. And this video is going to talk to you about paying taxes on various things. Okay, and a tax is a fee paid for a service provided. So you have income tax, you have house taxes, sometimes on stuff you purchase, and yada, yada, yada. I don't want to get too lost in that. You can watch the video for that. But the one I want to focus on is on your income tax. Right here on our second slide, you'll see that it says, or it asks you, what job will your college degree allow you to be? Drag and drop the circle over your answer. And if it's not listed below, research your career. Just because I don't have it there doesn't mean you're limited to those options. So look up how much a Northside teacher makes. Understand why we're stressed out, okay? But Mr. Heisen circled his first thing, the first thing he ever wanted to be, which was a chef. Now you guys know why I'm fat and out of shape. But you see here, a chef makes $41,500. So how much money do you actually see in your bank account? Because that ain't it. Now right here, it says, what is your federal income tax rate and deduction? We're going to use this bottom right graph to help us figure that out. If you can't see it on the next slide, it's bigger for you. Since we know that a chef makes 41,500, okay, 41,500, that falls under, for your federal income taxes, because all this is right here, it falls under the second bracket that I've underlined, which is 25%. So federal income tax alone, you're going to pay 25% in the great state of New York, which means you're going to take your 41,500 and multiply by 25%, and that's going to give you $10,375. Okay. Now, with that being said, I'm going to come over here and type that in. 25% in the great state. That's where y'all told me y'all wanted to live. So that's $10,375. That's how much you're paying just to be a citizen of New York and being a chef that makes 41,500. Now we're going to go and answer the following. What is your state income taxes? Because you ain't done yet. And after that, you got a local income tax. And then you're going to have your net income, which is how much you make total. You see right there, it says take home pay after taxes. And if you thought you was done there, just for the record, you're going to have some Social Security tax, some Medicare tax. I did say that kind of out of order, just to be clear. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number seven is going to be what your actual take home pay is, okay? If you have any questions, be sure to ask your teachers. Let's make it happen, y'all. It'll be great. And don't forget to use your next slide. It's going to tell you all the information you need to do. Each time you multiply what you have remaining by your new tax rate.